How to create pages in Shopify. Well, this is a step-by-step tutorial which will teach you on how to do that. So if this video helps you out, let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So I'm over here in the home section in Shopify, and if I would like to add a page, you want to go to the online store. Once you are here, themes will open up first, but you want to go to pages. And once you are here in the pages section, what you want to do is go to the top right corner and click on add page. And once you have clicked on here, you can actually add a title. So you can call this sizing chart, for example. Here you can add text if you would like to, and also edit the website SEO. And here you can also use a theme template. Well, this only has these two templates, so I'll just choose the default page and then simply click on save. Now we have saved our page, but we are not done yet. And by the way, if you are interested in using Shopify, then make sure to click the link in the description or the pinned comments under this video to start for free and then enjoy €1 per month for 3 months. So if you are interested in using Shopify, then make sure to grab the link in the description and try this out for yourself. So good luck with that. What you want to do is go to the left again and go to navigation. And once you are here, what you basically want to do is make sure to add this page to the main menu. So if you click on the main menu, then click on add menu item, then you can give it a name. So I'll just call it the same. And here you have to search or paste a link. So I'll just click on here. Then I'll navigate to pages. And then here you can see all of the pages that you have created. So I'll just add the sizing chart over here. Then simply click on add just like that. And now we have added this to our main menu. I'll just go ahead and save it right over here. And that should be it. So that is how to create pages in Shopify.